Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel, and yes, I'm back in my workplace. So it's been like 2 days. I didn't start my video in my office, so this is after like 2 days I'm coming back in my work office. So let's see what we have by today to do. First of all, as you can see, our office totally changed. This hopes will be the final design. As you can see, we have the display, the expensive headlight, and of course we have the table for the customer to of course check the light. And this area we have all our storage. Again, they are good quality headlight, but this will be the storage. This will be for the display, and this will be my office itself. So I'm going to sit here, and I have my big giant tablet as well. And yeah, we have the fridge, AC. Okay. Today we have a shipment again from USA itself. So we're gonna unload it from my car, and let's see what kind of headlight today we got. And hope so there will not be any damage on the headlight. Okay, I guess it's a big, huge box, and the weight is also not too much. Let's see how many headlights on this box. I can say it will be more than 3. No problem. The cameraman, you go first. I'll be continue. Okay. I'm coming now, and it's a big box, really heavy box as well. So let's open. Let me get my tools. So we're gonna close the camera. We're gonna be back, and let's see open that box and see how many headlights do we get for today. Let's go.
2 hours later.
So we're gonna unbox our package, and while we are doing that as well, so you guys can see, and we are recording our social media video as well. So yeah, you just stay there. Let's see how many shots it's gonna take us to record our social media video as well. So let's start with the microphone. The video's perfectly lit. Hey guys, this is AzooL, and they call me also Mr. Headlight. So today we have a shipment from USA itself. So I was going to open it. Let's see which kind of headlight today we get, and let's see if there's any damage or not in the headlight or not. Basically, like it's been like 4 shipments which I received last maybe 1 week, and most of them they had damage. So the people who sending us, they are not doing his job perfectly. So the shipment is like not well packaged, and the bubble wrap and other stuff, it's not pure good. Yeah, so those headlights all from the USA, and I have the details for this headlight. This headlight is the Lexus IS 350, and that's the engine number. But yeah, the model, the year will be for this headlight from 2021 till 2024. So I think this is the latest one. Still, we don't have any new design. And this is the headlight. We have the first one. Yeah, kind of good. The packaging. We have right side. Probably there'll be a single lens. So much bubbles. Yeah. Okay. So let's play a game. I'm gonna give you some option. I'm gonna ask you a question as well. So let's see how many people can figure it out. How many people can figure it out and guess what is the most expensive headlight from those 3 headlight option I'm gonna give you right now. And this is the first option, the LX 600 2022 headlight, and this is the US spec. So basically we have 2 options, I can say. Yeah, the US spec, and of course the GCC Europe and other country. So this is the first option, the LX 600. Can you guess the price? And the second option, let's go with the NX 2020, and this is also a US spec. And for the last option, I can say we can go with the RC. So we have the RC 2020, and this is the triple lens. So actually this comes with the 2 options. The first one will be the single beam, and this is the kind of full option. So it have 1, 2, 3 high beam, and of course the signal, and of course the LED running light. So between the RC and NX, and of course the LX 600, which headlight do you think is the most expensive one? Let's see how many people are guessing correct. I am back in my friend's place and I am ready to get my first lessons how to drive a manual car. So it's kind of getting dark as well, so I came to my friend's office. Actually, he's again busy with one of the customers, so I'm waiting for him to come. But before that, let me show you a little bit about the car. I think I didn't show you properly. So this is the car. This is my baby Subaru WRX and STI. Of course, it's kind of a little bit noisy, windy. Let's go inside and I'm gonna talk here a little bit. So before yesterday, I think so, my friend just teach me a little bit how to start the car and what exactly how it's like, what exactly manual about. So let me start the car. This is my first time starting the car. I know I know that much. I have to, of course, press the clutch, then it will be a green light here, then I have to start the car, then it's possible. Okay, sound good. And that much only. So after this, I don't have any idea. I have some idea, but the thing is I'm not gonna drive by myself. It's kind of dangerous as well, and I don't want to damage or break anything from the car itself. So we're gonna wait. I'm gonna call him back again one more time. Let's see if the customer finish or no. I'm ready to get my first lesson how to drive a manual car, and I'm so excited as well, guys. And to be honest, first reaction sitting on the driver's seat of this car, guys, I really love it. Especially the seat, it's like gripping you very well. And except that I can say overall, the dashboard, the info system, the face of the car from the dashboard itself, it looks so cool, so clean, not too complicated. We have here the manual 6-speed manual transmission, and of course we have the handbrake, the classic handbrake.
2 hours later.
So while I'm waiting till my friend come in, of course we're gonna start our first lesson how to drive a manual car. Let me try something, because I that much I know, but the thing is I never drove a manual car, so my experience is nothing. But of course I know we have to put on the clutch, first gear and other stuff. Let's try, let's see how it goes. Hope so nothing break or nothing smash. So let's see how it goes. I'll try my best to, of course, just get a little bit reverse and again move a little bit on front. So first we're gonna start the reverse gear. I put my foot on the clutch. Let's put on the reverse. Let's see, because I know there's a, once I'm moving my foot from the clutch itself, there's a gap, they call it bike gap. So in that gap, when I feel it, so I have to put at the same time accelerator as well. So let's try how it goes. So first try going back on reverse. Let's see how it feels, and can I do that or no. So I'm putting my foot slowly. Let's see how it goes. I feel a little bit the car is just moving. I can feel that. Okay, slow, I can feel that. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I feel something burn also. I think it's fine. There's nothing wrong on the engine, or even from the engine doesn't come any smell. So I think there was something smell from outside. I think it's much better for me to hold it up here. I'll call my friend. I'm gonna wait for him to show me, and of course start our first lesson.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I've been driving like 1 hour, and basically I kind of understand what's the base of the manual drive, but I have a problem on the first gear and the second gear, guys. So right now I couldn't make a video and I couldn't record the video because I have to focus much more on my driving side. So anyway, guys, this will be the end of the video, guys. And yeah, it's not that much easy. It's not that much easy to learn a manual, guys. I need to spend so much time, and once I learn perfectly, then I can of course show you while I'm driving it. So we'll see you on the tomorrow video, guys. First of all, we're gonna start in the morning time in my office, and afternoon I'm gonna come here and of course learn how to drive this amazing car. Yeah, see you for the next video. Like always, peace and goodbye.